don't know. Probably I should stop doing this everyday recording because it is so awkward. But the thing is, I mean, there is a beauty to this also, right? I mean, I feel that this is like my daily vlog kind of thing. But see, now it's close to. I'll tell you what time. It's 2 o'clock, and I've not yet had anything since morning. So it's a bit of intermittent fasting that I'm doing because otherwise I was like chubby. So that's what in yoga they say all of us come under, like there are these three particular doshas, that is vata, pitta, and kapha. So most of us are a combination of two doshas. So I think vata is air, um, pitta is of the earth, and kapha is again it is that's what it they say phlegm, right? Kapha, it's a thing. So phlegmatic personality. So anyway, I feel I'm vata kapha combination. So no, really. So with regard to intermittent fasting, also regardless of which category you fall under, I think intermittent fasting really works. So so yeah, that's what I plan to do. And you know what? Now sometimes I think I won't get people to come for my tarot reading or for any of these other um, angel healing and all. But then I feel that if you have the talent, you might as well just keep making the videos. You will anyway get an audience later. It's true. So yeah, it's 2 o'clock. So then I'll go. I'll make something. I'll eat. I'll set the house in order. I mean, the sweeping, swapping, regular stuff. And I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.